Hey fitness enthusiasts, today we're tackling dumbbell lunges, a fantastic exercise for building lower body strength and stability. Stick around as we guide you through the proper form step by step. Start by selecting a pair of dumbbells that match your fitness level. Hold one in each hand, arms at your sides with a neutral grip. Stand with your feet hip width apart, shoulders back and core engaged. This is your starting position. Find a spot with enough space to step forward and backward without any obstacles. Take a controlled step forward with one foot, ensuring your knee is directly above your ankle. Lower your body by bending both knees until your back knee hovers just above the ground. Push off the front foot, engaging your quads and glutes to return to the starting position. Keep your core tight throughout the movement to maintain balance. Now, repeat the process on the other leg. Step forward, lower your body, then push back to the starting position. Continue alternating legs for the desired number of repetitions. There you have it, dumbbell lunges. A great exercise to target your legs and build overall lower body strength. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips. Until next time, keep lunging and stay fit.